Hello! We're a bit matchy today. So we are going off to the River of Light in Liverpool.
Yeah! Liverpool! And Abby's coming.
And Eva's coming, her cousin, my niece, so she's absolutely buzzing. So you're going to go to the River of Light. Jack and Michael are on their way, so we're going to go in the train and meet them, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. And hopefully it's not going to pour it down, fingers crossed. Let's go.
Yeah.
Cadi, you okay? So we've done the River of Light, and in all honesty, this year it wasn't that great. The weather didn't help either, but it's just been so much better the past few years. But that's okay. We still got to go out. I got to see my niece, and Eva and Cadi got to meet up. So yeah, it's better than nothing, isn't it? I'm not the type of person to get overly negative about stuff. It was okay. Been better the last couple of years. So yeah, tomorrow's another day. Ignore my hair. I got caught in the rain last night and it's got hairspray in it, so it's kind of all frozen into place. Everyone's still in bed, but Cadi woke me up and climbed into our bed, so I just thought, you know what, I'll have a quiet coffee by myself before I hear footsteps everywhere. So, good morning. It's 25 to 9 and they're still in bed. I've watched a full episode of Grey's Anatomy. It's nice. I like to start getting up earlier more often. Good morning. Good morning. It's 9 o'clock. Come here. Give me. I've had a chilled out afternoon actually. I went for a coffee date with one of my besties, Dean. And now I've came back and we're all at Grandma's house and we're celebrating Bonfire Night. We've got sparklers, fireworks, and we're all gonna have dinner together, hot dogs, stew, and I bought some naughty puddings from Marks and Spencer's, and Auntie Jean has made some cakes. So yeah, let's go. I was so poorly from 3 o'clock onwards. So Michael just left me in bed and I woke up at 11. I'm usually up between 7 and 8, so I probably really needed it. But I wanted to go to the Makers Market in Liverpool today, but I still feel so sick. So I think it's going to be just a cuddly day today.
Okay, now.
Whoa!
That's it, right?
Yes! We've had a dripping top for nearly a year. And when Michael tried to do it, he flooded the kitchen. So it's fixed! So I'm still feeling a bit dodgy. The weather's gone awful outside, hasn't it?
Yeah.
So we are gonna watch a film and cuddle down.
Yes, think about.
Yeah, so we'll leave you there and see you next time. Bye!